What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about JustPlay again. So for those of you who have not watched the last video, basically I told everybody what my plan was, and basically we are doing the 30-day JustPlay challenge. And so basically JustPlay has this login every day and do a challenge and you get a reward. So every single day I've been logging in on JustPlay and I've been doing this. And so for 30 days we are doing this, and we are up to like day 20 now. And so we got like 10 days left. And at the end of this little series, I am going to show how much I earned during this whole entire period. With that being said, let's jump into today's video. Alright, so the first thing that I do want to talk about is the where you had to watch the videos and collect the gems, and I believe there was like 2,500 gems or something like that. There was that, and also the one where you collect treasure keys from the other games. And basically with the treasure keys, so for that one event they said there was like a total of 200 treasure keys that you had to get. They said get 20 treasure keys and you automatically qualify for $100 a day. They'll randomly pick somebody for $100 a day, and basically you only needed 20 to qualify. Well, I had like 80 something. So the event ends, right? I don't have the 200, but I had like 84 or something like that. And the event ends, and I noticed I got nothing for that event. So basically you do need to get the 200 in order to even get anything. But the getting 20 blah blah blah, or you know, treasure keys, and then expecting to get picked to win $100 a day, that's just, there's no chance in that. And you know, like there's probably a lot of people that they're picking through, or they're just picking whoever they want, basically. Oh, gyms, what is what we were talking about next. So the 2,500 gem thing, so I did it and it got me, I went past the gem mark, so I qualified for it, and the event ended, and I believe it gave me like $1, or no, it was like $2.60 something cents maybe, can't remember, but I'll put it up on the screen if I have it. And so basically it gave me like $2 and something for that event, and that's not bad. But that event was a real grind, because you had to get 2,500 or more gems from playing games and stuff. So now if you go to the app, you'll notice that there's probably an Easter event where you have to collect eggs, and it's pretty much the same thing. And if you don't qualify, you don't get anything. So if you start doing it and then you don't get enough gems, you don't qualify, and then you don't get nothing. So the whole thing is, if you don't have enough time to do it, then don't do it, because it's just a waste of time, because they won't give you anything more than what you already have. And so basically, because of this, all of these events are kind of distracting, to be honest with you. And basically the events pretty much tell you to watch these ads. I believe we've already talked about this on my channel before, about JustPlay and how they crack down on people doing the method and telling people not to watch their ads and things like that, because they're getting in trouble with their partners. And then they come back with this new update where you have to watch more ads. So I don't know about you, but JustPlay, it's weird. and still sketchy. Is it worth playing like this to earn money from JustPlay, or are these other apps actually better? Because I've found apps where was able to make $30 a week versus what I made on JustPlay. And I don't know, I've been fully transparent. I've showed a bunch of different apps on this channel and how much I've earned from them compared to JustPlay. And if you want to see the truth, you'll see it. If not, you'll keep using JustPlay, I guess. But that's not going to deter me from not making JustPlay videos, because I guess this is a form of entertainment.
Alright, so we are on JustPlay. I just wanted to show everybody that my balance up here, $16.72. That's what I've earned so far for 20 days. I have not started day 21, but that is where we're at with this video. And like I said earlier in this video, there will be one last video doing this, I believe. So the last video won't come out until after 10 days. So here's the egg thing that I was talking about. I have not been doing it because I don't think it was worth it last time I did it, because it only rewarded like $1 or $2.64 or something. Somebody on YouTube, they commented on the last video. They said that so far, by doing this and collecting gems, that the amount of gems do not ever disappear. So far they have not seen it disappear yet. So that might be a thing I could utilize for the last video. But if you notice, I've already collected this amount one time, and I did that during the last video. But I might utilize this for the next video, and we'll see how far I make it with this. As far as the daily challenges go, I don't really do the daily challenges anymore. The Easter egg vault, I've been doing this, even though the last one that I did, I had 84 keys and it gave me nothing. I've been doing this, but honestly, it's if you don't get 50 keys by the time by April 12th, then you're basically SOL. You know, it was basically a big time waster if you don't get 50 keys by the 12th. And it might be doable. I haven't done it yet today, but. And last thing that I really wanted to show is I have the leaderboard, and I posted on Reddit, and I was asking people, like, why is it only 50 people, and why does it seem like you don't ever go up in the leaderboard, and it seems like the same people are just always on there. And then when you compare your leaderboard to everyone else's leaderboard, it's different every single time. Which doesn't make sense. I mean, I don't know, but that's just me. Leaderboards, rewards, I've obviously never gotten and probably won't ever get, because you have to be in the top 5. And that's basically it. So basically the overall thing that I'm doing for this video is testing this feature. Basically I'm testing this feature because I want to know if you could just be able to log in every day and just play a couple games for like 15 minutes and then collect the reward and then log off. I just wanted to see how much money you can make by just doing that, because it requires little to no effort, and that's basically what we're doing. But yeah, just wanted to show the current balance on JustPlay and all the features that I currently have. The leaderboard popped up out of nowhere, probably about 4 days ago or so. But yeah, I'm gonna stop filming, that way I can do day 21.
Don't get me wrong, JustPlay is still good, but I just believe that there are better apps out there. And yeah, but basically with this period of time for this series, I am up like $16 something, and we're on like day 20 or something. So at the 30-day mark, once it's over, I will be filming the end of the JustPlay challenge video, and we're just gonna see how much I've earned within the 30 days. And yeah, I'll do a full breakdown of the 30 days, all the rewards I've gotten from doing a little challenge every single day, and just showing some things along the way. In terms of spending your time trying to make money with JustPlay, I'd have to say you spend more of your time playing JustPlay, watching ads on JustPlay, and playing JustPlay's games than you do making money with JustPlay. Because there are so many apps out there that will just pay you to play games based on the time that you play games. So you could spend 3 hours playing games and they'll pay you for 3 hours of playing, versus you'll play games on JustPlay for 3 hours and they'll pay you probably a couple pennies, or 20 cents or 60 cents or something stupid. But these other apps will pay you based on the time that you've played, like Misplay or Cash Quest. And those are the couple apps that I've been able to earn $30 a week on, versus 60 cents every 3 hours, you know. I don't know. That's just me comparing a little bit of other apps to JustPlay. And I think my time is more valuable than a couple 60 cents here and there every 3 hours. That's just my opinion. But if you guys want to see more, let me know and I will do more. But yeah, thank you to each and every one of you for watching this little series. This little series will be in the JustPlay series playlist, so it won't be its own little series, but it'll be with all of the other JustPlay videos. Find all the links in the description. And yeah, I thank each and every one of you for tuning in today. Please drop a like, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and I'll see each and every one of you in the last JustPlay little series that we're doing, maybe next week or so. So thank everyone for tuning in and just hanging out with this video, and I'll see each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.